What does it mean to be an advanced civilization? We often think of ourselves as technologically sophisticated. We've built satellites, explored other planets, and even touched the edge of interstellar space. But in the grand scheme of the cosmos, where do we really stand? To answer this, Soviet astronomer Nikolai Kardashev proposed a bold idea in 1964, a way to classify civilizations based on the amount of energy they can harness. This became known as the Kardashev scale, and it provides a roadmap for the evolution of intelligent life. There are three main categories. Type 1, a civilization that can use all the energy available on its home planet. Type 2, one that can harness the energy of its entire star. Type 3, a civilization that can control the energy of its entire galaxy. Let's break this down. Type 1 civilization, planetary. This is the first major step toward cosmic maturity. A Type 1 civilization can capture all of the energy falling on its planet, including wind, solar, geothermal, and seismic power. It would control weather, earthquakes, and perhaps even volcanoes. It could terraform, stabilize climate, and manage natural resources at a global scale. Earth is not there yet. In fact, humanity currently sits around 0.72 on the Kardashev scale. According to physicist Michio Kaku, we're a transitional species, climbing the ladder toward full planetary mastery. To reach Type 1, we'd need to increase our energy consumption by several orders of magnitude while managing sustainability and avoiding collapse. Type 2 civilization. Stellar, a Type 2 civilization is truly interstellar. It can capture and utilize the full energy output of its parent star, about 10 to 26 watts in the case of the Sun. How would it do this? Enter the concept of the Dyson sphere, a megastructure or swarm of satellites surrounding a star to absorb its energy. It doesn't have to be a solid shell, as often imagined in sci-fi, but could be a dynamic orbiting cloud of solar collectors. A Type 2 civilization would no longer be bound to its home planet. It could colonize its solar system, mine asteroids, build planetary computers, and possibly shift the orbits of moons and planets to suit its needs. To us, such a civilization would be nearly godlike. Type 3. Civilization. Galactic. A Type 3 civilization can tap into the energy of an entire galaxy, around 10 to 36 watts. This means manipulating hundreds of billions of stars, building Dyson spheres across star systems, and managing interstellar travel on a massive scale. Such a species would be immortal in many ways, not as individuals, but as a civilization. They might evolve into a vast network of artificial intelligence, upload consciousness into energy fields, or become quantum civilizations. They would be capable of manipulating space and time itself, possibly even creating wormholes, altering dark matter, or engineering entire galaxies. We would be as microbes to them. Where are they? If such civilizations are possible, the question becomes, where are they? This loops us back to the Fermi paradox. Maybe Type 3 civilizations are rare. Maybe they collapse before reaching that level. Or maybe their activities are subtle, embedded in black holes, hiding behind energy cloaks, or operating in ways we can't comprehend. Some researchers search for Dyson swarms using infrared telescopes, hoping to detect the heat signatures of stellar-scale energy harvesting. So far, no confirmed detections exist. But our searches are just beginning. What lies beyond? The Kardashev scale doesn't stop at Type 3. Futurists have proposed Type 4 and Type 5 civilizations. Type 4, harnessing the energy of the entire universe. Type 5, controlling the multiverse, multiple universes, perhaps outside our physical laws. These are wildly speculative. But as physics pushes into quantum gravity, string theory, and higher dimensional space, the notion of multiverse engineering becomes more than pure fantasy. The risks of advancement. Climbing the Kardashev scale isn't without danger. Each leap in energy use brings potential for self-destruction. A Type 1 society must avoid climate collapse, nuclear war, and AI domination. A Type 2 could trigger solar catastrophes. A Type 3 might flirt with galactic instability. Technological power must be matched with ethical evolution. We might be tested, over and over again, by the very tools we create. Why it matters. The Kardashev scale isn't just a classification, it's a vision. It reminds us that civilizations evolve, not just culturally, but cosmically. It gives us a benchmark, a direction, a sense of what lies ahead if we survive long enough. It also humbles us. We are infants on the cosmic stage, but we are growing. Slowly, painfully, beautifully. Will we rise, or will we vanish? Another echo lost in the stars? The choice for now is ours.